The first step is to go to the official page of Idea Statica and click on the download button located under the licensing tab. In this course, we will be using version 22. If you want, you can also download earlier versions of the software here. Idea Statica has an online cloud-based licensing system for which you will only need two things to access: your username and password. If you purchase the full license, you already should have your login credentials ready. There is also a 14-day trial version that I recommend downloading so you can follow along. You simply need to fill out an information form and your trial license will be delivered to you via email. Once you've done that, start the download and installation. Accept the terms of use and select the installation location. After the installation is completed, a BIM link window will appear. Here we have a list of other software that is connected to Idea Statica. For example, from the SCIA Engineer, we can insert any type of connection of the appropriate topology with defined load combinations directly into Idea Statica. Idea Statica and SCIA Engineer link will be shown later in the course. We need to click on Install to enable the BIM link connection between said software. After starting the software, a window appears in which we must enter our login credentials. Now, the starting window appears in which we can access various software modules as well as online learning materials. In the lower part, recent projects are listed as well as a list of news related to the software itself.